Hello people, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a desktop folder look like one of these cute emoji icons. I'm not sure if this works on anything outside of Mac, so if you want to try it out, go ahead. First thing we need to do is make a folder. Go to File, go to New Folder, and there you have it. I'm going to name mine Typography because I need a typography folder. So here it is, boring, blue and boring, right? Great. So we are going to Google Images. I want a tulip emoji as the icon, so we're gonna go to that. We're gonna get the real deal. See this? Yeah, that's like Android. These are the real ones. So we're gonna download this. By the way, this does not have a transparent background. If you download an image and it has a transparent background, great, you can skip the next step, but unfortunately this does not have a transparent background. So here it is. We're gonna double or triple click, go into markup, select this magic wand tool. I'm not really sure what it's called. We're gonna go to the background. We're gonna go as far away from the emoji as possible. We're gonna move it a little bit. See that? See how if I get closer, it'll select the emoji? That's what we don't want. We want it to be as crisp as possible. Let's see. You kind of just have to adjust to see where the lines are. There's a very small spot that's bothering me. Okay, so there you go. Then we are going to delete. There we have it. So now we are gonna click on this tool. We're gonna copy. We're gonna go to this folder, right click, get info, and then we're gonna click on this and paste. There you have it. Oh, it's so cute. Wait, why is it so small? Okay, so I think I know what the problem is. So I probably should have gotten a bigger image. Let's see if that'll work. I'm just gonna repeat this. If you end up having the same problem, chances are you probably just need to get a better image. So again, markup, this tool. Perfect. Right here. I'm trying to get rid of the white background as much as possible from the emoji. Delete. Go and get this what is it? Marquee tool. Try and get as much of the emoji and copy. Get info. Click on this. I'm not sure if I mentioned that, but click on this once and then paste. There you go. Oh my god, it's so cute. And also, yeah, that looks so much better. Okay, so you just saw me convert a boring desktop folder into one of these cute emoji icons. But what if you want to use an actual image from your photos? I'm pretty sure you can do that. I have never done that yet, but we are gonna see if you can do that. I'm gonna go into photos. I plan on using my sister's head as an icon. I'm gonna choose a photo that has a background that's easy to get rid of. So I think this one right here is probably best. We're gonna drag it to desktop, get rid of this. Go back to markup. We're gonna use the rectangular selection tool. I only need her head, so we're gonna crop that. Now we're gonna go to the magic wand and get rid of everything I don't need. Okay, so I honestly don't feel like using the magic wand tool to get rid of the rest of the background because everything else is kind of smaller. So with that, I'm going to be using the lasso selection. I don't think markup has an actual eraser tool, so that's why I'm not using one. If they had it, I'd definitely use that. But yeah, I'm using lasso selection. You have to circle everything you don't want and make sure that the lines connect like this so that it can go and delete your stuff.
I got black, I got white, what you want? Hop outside a ghost and hop up in a fan. I know I'm about to blow, whoa, whoa, I ain't done. They try to take my flow, I take the ass for ransom. I know that I'm gone, they see me blowing up, now they say they want some. I got 2 twin Glocks, turn you to a dancer. I see 2 twin ops, leave them on a banner. And I got 2 thick dots, wanna link the game. I got red, I got blue, what you want? The Chanel, Balenciaga, Louis, and Vuitton. She know I got the Fendi Prada when I hit Milan. I needed me a diet rider, I need me the one. I started from the bottom, you can see the way I stung. I want all the diamonds, I want that shit to weigh a ton. The ops, they tryna lie me cause they hate the place I'm from. But them niggas don't know me, they just know.
Okay, so honestly, this is good enough. We are going to get out of that. We are gonna go and do rectangular selection. Crop only what I need. Copy. And hopefully this works. We're gonna make a new folder. I forgot to make that. So folder. We'll do videos. And then get info. Press once. Oh my god, it works! Oh, I'm so happy. Okay, so there you have it. I have awesome icons. That is so cool. Okay. Anyways, yeah.